Welcome to AlloyGator. Today we're discussing why you might consider replacing your AlloyGators annually. While AlloyGators are designed to last and protect your wheels for many years, it's good practice to inspect them regularly. If you notice significant wear or if you're prone to curb scrapes, you might want to refresh them annually to keep them looking their best. Consider replacing your AlloyGators if they show signs of wear and tear, like scuffs, or if they no longer match your vehicle's aesthetics. Regular replacement ensures your wheels remain protected and looking sharp. If you prefer self-fitting, refer to our installation videos for detailed guidance. Ensure a proper fit to maximise protection and longevity. For the best results, consider visiting a professional installer for a thorough check and maintenance. They can help address any issues and ensure your AlloyGators are perfectly fitted. For more maintenance tips and information, visit our website. Thank you for choosing AlloyGator.